Welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble making calls on Gmail from your PC after the recent update, we've got you covered. Let's walk through some simple steps to fix the issue. First, start by refreshing the Gmail web page. Just click on the refresh icon at the top left of your browser. This simple step can often resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser, then select Delete Browsing Data. Ensure all options are checked, and set the time range to All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data. Next, logging out and back into Gmail can also help. Click on your photo in the top right corner and select Sign Out. Once you've done that, sign back in with your email address and password, then click Sign In. Sometimes, a quick device restart is all you need. Just press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and choose Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning your device back on by pressing the power button. If the issue persists, try connecting to a different network. Click on the network icon in the notifications area and switch to another available network. It's also essential to check your internet connection. Click on the network icon again from the notifications area to verify your connection. Lastly, ensure that Gmail has permission to use your camera and microphone. Next to the web address, click on View Site Information, then open Site Settings. Under Permissions, make sure both the camera and microphone permissions are enabled. And there you go. Following these steps should help resolve your Gmail call problem on PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.